finally found a way in which you can actually know who subscribe and unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. Yes guys, you just need to stick around to the end of this video, which I'm going to show you how you can actually keep track of your subscribers and know when they unsubscribe to your YouTube channel, the date they subscribe, and the number of subscribers that they actually have on their YouTube channel. Okay, let me tell you one thing: YouTube cannot take down your subscribers. They can never take down people that subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, sometimes the person that subscribe to your YouTube channel might actually go and unsubscribe to your YouTube channel, especially on those vibes. You wake up, you have 17 people that subscribe, within few minutes you check by, you now saw 14, because something is for you to have subscribers, and the other thing is for those people to unsubscribe to your YouTube channel, and which is very bad, especially on those vibes. Nobody wants to see your first breakthrough, or nobody wants you to progress first. Okay, they might actually vibe have subscribe to my own. You might actually do that in the subscribe, but along the line they will actually go and unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. So this will help you to keep track of who subscribe and who also unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. So every subscriber that you have count. Even me as a small YouTuber, if I could wake up, check my YouTube studio or my YouTube app, and I've noticed that I've actually gotten 1 subscriber, I'm always happy about it. To know your subscribers will also help you to know the kind of content you can actually create, the kind of content they would like to see. Without wasting much time, let me head over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you how you can actually know who subscribe to your YouTube channel, know their subscriber count, know the date they subscribe to your YouTube channel, and how you can actually keep track when they unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. Irrespective of the kind of device you are using, you are just going to follow the same procedure or method, and trust me, you are going to thank me later. Okay, let's head straight there. So this is how you can actually track who subscribe to your YouTube channel, and from there you'll be able to track when they unsubscribe. So don't use the YouTube Studio app, just go to your Chrome browser. So when you go there, you just type YouTube Studio. Since I have the app already, I'm just going to long press it on a new tab. So I'll come here to open it on a new tab. Okay, so just give it a little time to come up, and you're just going to go ahead and scroll down. Okay, so you just scroll down to where you see recent subscribers. Okay, so you just click see all. So when you click on see all, so you are going to see people that subscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, that is when those people make their subscription to be public. That's when you are actually going to see them. Okay, so you can see it right here. You can see the date they subscribed. You can see their own subscriber count, like how many subscribers they actually have, and you can see something like subscribe. So if you want to subscribe to your their YouTube channel, okay, you actually click here to subscribe. Okay, then sometimes you might go to you might come here and you see unsubscribe. Unsubscribe does not mean that those people unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. Unsubscribe, if you come here and see unsubscribe, that means you have subscribed to their channels. So like this one that is showing subscribe, that means I'm not subscribed to their channels. So if you actually check your own and you see unsubscribe, know that you actually subscribe to their channel, not like the unsubscribe to your own channel. Okay, so when you scroll down, you get seeing the more of their info. Okay, so from there, let's just do a little stuff here. So you can actually come here, click on those drop down arrow. Okay, let's say you want to filter it to people that subscribe to your YouTube channel for the last 7 days. So you're just going to go ahead and put it on the last 7 days. So it's going to bring out your recent subscribers. Okay, you can see all of those stuff here. Okay, the date they subscribe and their own subscriber count. So from here you could be able to track when people unsubscribe to your channel. Okay, so for you to be able to know when people actually unsubscribe to your channel, so you get to bring it to the last. Let's say you are doing vibes on vibes and the person said they subscribe to your YouTube channel. First thing first, you need to come here and check if you see the person that actually commented done or whatever it is, if the person has subscribed. So when the person subscribe, you go and subscribe back to the person channel. Okay, so maybe at the at some point in time, or maybe some other time, you check back and you notice your subscribers has reduced. Come here. So when you come here and you find out that one or two persons put it on the latest day, like all these recent 9 days or 28 days, 90 days, depending on when you are actually doing your vibes on vibe. So when you click here, put it on this last 7 days. Okay, so when you see that the person is not, you know that the person is actually unsubscribed to your YouTube channel. So what will you do? You can go and unsubscribe back to the YouTube channel, because people does not actually want you to grow. So that's how you can actually track when somebody subscribe and unsubscribe to your YouTube channel. Okay, please